Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Hernandez, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a part unknown for a subtraction problem. Okay, let's take a look at our problem here. It says 13 minus something equals 4. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, the biggest number in a subtraction problem is going to go first, and that makes that our whole. Okay? It's not like the addition problem where the whole is at the end. In subtraction, the whole goes at the beginning to the biggest number. Okay? So we have our whole, our unknown is going to be our part, and our 4 is going to be our part. So let's start setting up our mat. Before we put any counters down, we need to set up our mat correctly so we don't make any mistakes. So our whole is 13. Our part is unknown. And our other part is 4. And we need to figure out what and 4 make 13. Okay? So, we're going to start off by putting 13 in our whole. Okay, so let's start and do 13 in our whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Okay, and now we have a part that's 4. Okay, so let's move up 4. 4. And whatever we have left over, we're going to move that up to this part. And let's figure out what it is. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so we're going to put 9 here. Let's double check. 9 plus 4. What does that make? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What? You got it. Yeah, that's right. So if we put here, let's put a 9 because that's what our question mark was. And let's double check. 13 minus 9 equals 4. All right, so here's our 13. Minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do we have left over? 4. So the answer is 9. Okay, 13 minus 9 equals 4. That was quick and easy. So that concludes today's little mini lesson. I hope you guys had some fun doing this problem. Stay safe, take care of you, and love you, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye.